Hey guys, Jack Neely here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I'm standing in front of one of Boston Whaler's 13 Super Sports. This is a really cool boat. It's a smaller Boston Whaler, but also gives you all the things that Boston Whaler's known for. It is an unsinkable legend. You'll notice that when you're banging around on the boat, it is a foam-filled design that makes it unsinkable, but also it makes it a very safe boat out on the water. You never have to worry about letting your kids rip it around offshore or inshore, or if you hit something on the bottom, you're not going to put a hole in this boat. Even if you ripped up the gel coat a little bit, this boat's going to float. Once you look at actually the inside of the boat, you'll notice that we don't have any throttle cables, any fuel lines running on the inside of the hull. This boat's one piece, and it is a generational boat. Self-bailing cockpit, nice simplistic bench seat, nice bow seating, a little windshield, and a large bimini. With there not being a lot being said about this 13 Super Sport, there's a lot being done here. But if you wanted to jump deeper into what this 13 Super Sport has to offer, come down to MarineMax St. Petersburg, ask for Jack Neely, and I'll show you what she's like.